So what do they call you?
Quicks, man.
Quicks. Not quick enough.
So what do they call you?
Quicks, man.
Quicks. Not quick enough.
What the hell?
So, Quicks, what is a son of a gun?
Not son of a gun, my friend. It's son of a gun, my friend.
What does that mean?
I guess it is time you should know. Honestly, I'm not too sure myself, but I know it's son of a gun, my friend. The misuse of this energy could be son of a gun, my friend.
Don't worry, I'll only use this for
catastrophic.
So what do they call you? Quicks. Quicks. Not quick enough.
This is our. So what do they call you?
Quicks.
Quicks. Not quick enough.
What's your purpose? The primary factor of
Son of a gun, my friend.
is that they absorb energy through Quicks. Huh?